Yeah.
Good morning, good morning. Welcome back.
Hey, good morning.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Doing good. Not bad. Not bad at all. Can't complain.
Nice, time to make some money then.
Of course, of course. We have some options, guys. We have some options. GJ. I think I'll choose GU better. But let's see, we have 10 minutes left. And we need to close above this. So I don't know if we're going to be able to close above, but hoping that that will happen soon. If not, we're going to see something else. GU. Let's take a look at other pairs. EJ fake out. Came for retest. Didn't continue to a downside. It actually did on these two previous candles, but only 5 pip moves, so nothing much. Maybe remove snow. Why? Why remove the snow? You guys are not fun. You guys are not fun at all. You don't like snow. You don't like that. You don't like this. What do you guys like? Is there something that you guys like? Or nothing?
It's winter, there must be snow.
No, man. People are not fun. How is distracting? Like, it's just snow. It doesn't block candles or anything. Like, you guys are not fun at all. Maybe I'll stop streaming then at all. Because you guys don't like anything. Since you don't like it, we'll just stop streaming. GBP CAD is a mess. Waiting. Waiting for Geo. I don't see anything else for now, so not gonna rush to do anything stupid. Because right now we don't have anything. We have gold here at daily resistance. It's having problems breaking this resistance. We'll see. Daily resistance, 1 hour resistance. If it breaks, we might look for some buys. If it breaks, I think let's skip GCAT. I don't like it. I don't like there's too many candles in between. We'll see later. G is rejecting. If you guys see any break and retest, let me know, because I don't, except EJ. I may take EJ to the downside, who knows? I think we're getting a good close. If this happens to be another fake out, I mean, but maybe I'll take the risk taking sells here. Let's see. 3 minutes left. I mean, we can easily continue down. This is strong support. Can we have 2 fake outs in a row? I think that's pretty hard to have 2 fake outs in a row. Yeah, I know daily. But I don't want to look at daily at all, because daily would say the opposite.
4 hour doesn't look bad too.
Yeah, 4 hour looks like a rejection, so
yeah, deep pullback on the rejection. That's good.
It is, and the way this candle is gonna close, that's what I like here.
Yeah, strong candle.
Yeah, we had 1 fake out. Now having a second one would be pretty hard. But we need a full move to downside to get at least 10 pips, because the range looks big, but it's very small in terms of pips. EU, there's nothing there yet. There's nothing there. What do we want to do in EU? You might continue down also, who knows? But I'll take EJ. If it gives me a retest, I'll take it. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I think it's not gonna make a pullback, and gonna have a whole move to this filling this wick probably. Just wait and see. Okay, we do have a close. We do have a close. I don't expect a double fake out here, so let's wait for a pullback. I'll take some sells on pullback. But don't rush. I even have a gap on C Trader on IC Marcus. I don't want to see this leave without me. I need a bigger pullback. It's gonna leave us. Come EJ, come. Don't go without us.
Be right back.
Okay. Let's go, come EJ, come. Just a little higher. I'll enter in a 2 free pip range. Why not? Okay, we are in. First entry. Entering in a small range because we don't know if it's gonna come for that full pullback, so we don't want to miss it. This is a 3 pip range, so I think why not? Stop loss 15 pips. I think 15 pips is too much. Stop loss is gonna be 10 pips. Think so, 10 pips. If it comes higher, I'll enter some more. Euro news coming up. Okay, Euro news coming up in 1 hour. We should be done until then. Let's go EJ. Let's see what's gonna happen. If we're gonna have double fake out on EJ, I mean we can't just delete it. We can delete it and not trade it anymore. But I don't see this making a double fake out. Speech in 1 hour. Let's see how much time we get until then. 56 minutes high impact. Okay, we'll wait and see what happens until then, because we want to move until then, right? See if we can make it 10 pips move at least. I think we gotta have some continuation here. At least filling this wick should be the first target. After that, we'll see. Guys, the reason we entering this, first of all, we broke below this last night. Then we made some kind of retest. It was a small 5 pip pullback. Then what happened was price continued to the lower, came, as I said, rejected a bit, but only 5 pips, not enough. Then we got closed back in the range. Price hit this resistance again, got rejected, went all the way down to make another breakout to the downside. Now it's a second breakout, and of course it's much more stronger now, if we can say, because it's a second time. Double fakeouts rarely happen, so that's why I don't trust that it's going to be another fakeout, but we're going to have some continuation at least to this candle, something like this. And right now we're having a nice rejection, a good push to the downside. We'll see. We have a speech later on. We're going to be careful. We should be done by then. We have 5 pips almost, so another 5 would get 10, and we'll be done. Nice, 7 pips. We're gonna get 10 or not? 7.5, 7.78, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go. We need to fill this wick. If I get 10, I'll close because of the news. Yeah, I'll close before the speech. I'll try to close, and we'll see then. What we need more. We need more. Hopefully, we don't get a full pullback. That would be a bad sign. If there wasn't a speech, I'll hold this later on the day because has potential. Even though we'll see what happens. I'm just aiming for 10 pips because we have the daily support then. And daily support might make some problems here. No way, EJ. Whole pullback. Okay, let's see. Not good. Not good that we have a full pullback here. After we made the move and I think it looks like a rejection. And that's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. But we'll wait because we're only on the first 9 minutes of the 1 hour, so there's plenty of time to have continuation. Like we have another 50 minutes. Also, speech is late in the hour, so we have time. Can be a lot of moves until then. Speech causing this. Speech is not now, guys. Look at the page here. It's in 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Speech is not happening right now. Will you still add your second entry if it comes higher? We'll see. If it comes higher in this hour, I might take the one more entry. Since we're still early, I would probably. Maybe we can close half and set stop loss at entry before speech in case the speech moves further to the downside. Yeah, you can do that too. You can do that too. Patience now. Now we are in. We just gotta wait. GBP SZD. Anthony, you sent that, but I didn't see it. Now that I see. What were you thinking? Maybe this. It can be it. Looks like didn't come enough. Would this be good? Maybe would be. I just don't trade this pair, so I would probably not take it. So yeah. EJ is good. Telling you that it's good, but daily is not good. The daily is not good. We are going against daily, so breaking a rule here. Note that. But you guys decide. We are breaking a rule here. Daily at support. How much percentage your profit month? I don't know. Depends from month to month. Go to the copy trader. We had we ended the year at 7%. So slowly risking only small percentage. We're not using big risk. Previous candle is closed very nice. I think unless the news, unless the speech gonna do something, I think the setup is good. Except the daily. Daily can cause us problems. Good, but I'm gonna accept the fact that I went against it, and I'll take a loss, even a loss if it happens. For the copy trader, link is in description, guys. Link is in description. Let's see now. We have to wait. We have to wait. Started nice, some nice momentum, then made a pullback. Still have time for continuation, so plenty of time. We expect to be done by the end of the hour, so we don't, uh, so we're not in the trade during the speech, because speech is high impact.
Hey, I'm back.
Welcome, George. Welcome. You are back, and EJ is back too.
Yeah, it was waiting for me, you know.
Yeah,
I'm
probably.
sorry for being late.
GU, I don't know. We'll see. If we get a good break on GU, we might take it. But plenty of time till the end of the candle, until the end of the hour, so we will wait until then. Let's go, EJ. Don't take much time. Go bearish and give us one more push like that. We'll be done. At least if it would come higher, so we can enter another better entry, get more pips here. But it's not passing through above our entry. Let's see if it comes higher to make a wick. Forgot to break, retest, and expecting some continuation. Let's see if it's gonna make the same move it made in the beginning. Let's see if this was just a pullback and see if we can still continue down. What about CAD-JPY? Is it safe to put stop loss at break even during the news event? You'll get stopped probably, unless it's gonna be a big move only one direction. Because first of all, spread goes too high, and you might get stopped at break even. I mean, if you're 15 or 20 pips in profit, you can move your stop at break even because it's too far to hit your stop, even if spread goes high. But if we have the same, if EJ is going to be same place before speech, we'll just have to start, we'll just have to close the trade, even if it's not at 10 pips, because we can't risk it. Let's see. Hopefully until then we'll be done, and we don't have to wait. We got 7 in the beginning, but we need at least 10. I mean, come on, EJ. EJ can do more than that. A 10 pip move, it's filling this wick to the downside here. Even a little bit higher. Let's see. Stop loss at break even is when we secure 80%, and it depends if that 80% is going to be at 10 pips, 15 or 20. It depends. This case, we're looking for 10 pips because we don't have much time to wait for it because of the speech. So we get 10 pips, we secure most of our profits, we leave a runner, stop loss at break even. So just a matter of time now. Just a matter of time. Let's go, EJ, let's go. Slowly coming back. Is your trading platform CTrader? It is. It's CTrader is MetaTrader 4. I use both. How can you see pips on MT4? Guys, be more serious, okay? Because these kind of questions are very, you know, easy to find out. How to count pips, all these kind of things. There, there is a website. If you are new, guys, just giving you advice. Go to this page, and there's all the basic things. You have all the basic things there. You have plenty of information. All these kind of questions that your guys are asking. Would be very nice to get some information. Then you can come here and level up. Let's go, EJ, let's go. Little by little we are pushing. EJ will be stuck here until the speech is over. Yeah, you might be right. You might be right. That can easily happen. After the half hour, after 30-minute closes, I'm thinking about moving my stop at break even because I don't want to see this coming up again. Alright, so we are pushing slowly. Let's see. We are 6 pips now. Just another 4 will be done.
Wouldn't it be better to move it like 1-2 pips above the current candle?
Why to take a loss at 1 or 2 pips?
Because it can.
No,
Well,
no,
it doesn't
no
matter.
worries,
It's
no
not
worries.
profit anyway.
No worries, because I think we're getting 10 pips here. Let's
Yeah.
see, let's see. We got 8. Now, if this comes all the way back again, now I'm moving my stop at break even, guys. Move my stop at break even. Don't forget stops at break even because we are at daily support. If it rejects again, it's rejecting from a daily and we are in danger. Stop loss at break even, okay? Don't forget. Let's see if we get 10 pips to secure. If not, I'm not gonna let this come all the way to our entry again because it's gonna be a daily rejection. Let's see if it gives us 10. We're at 7 pips, we got 8, but another 2, and we get 10 pips. You can't let this go all the way up again. Remember, because the daily is the factor after that. Getting rejected twice, it's not a very good sign at all. So don't Don't try to force things and say, no, I'm just gonna leave it because I don't care about the news or anything. No, daily support is you go on the daily and you see support daily candles rejecting on the same level for a few days. That's support. So you go on the daily. What do you see here? You see all these candles? That was a consolidation box from before, and we had a lot of rejections. Now, getting rejected twice is a sign that daily is having problems there. So that's why we moved our stop to break even, because the second time, 2 times gave us 7-8 pips and then got rejected. Careful. It doesn't matter if we end up at break even, okay? Because anyway there's the speech coming, so only half an hour left. As you can see here, 29 minutes. Half an hour have passed, so we are getting closer and closer, and it's high impact. President Lagarde's speech. The European Central Bank's President Christine Lagarde, born in 1956 in France, you closed already 1.5. Nice. Looks like you risked more than 1 to make 1.5 at 8 pips. Yeah. I knew it. I knew it. Nice, nice, nice. If you guys got 1%, then why not? Good that you closed. But I didn't got 1% because if I would get 1%, I would be closing too. Why hold when there's news coming and all these kind of things? Let's see. Let's see. Probably we're gonna end up at break even here because it's very close. Let's go, Icha. Let's go. Question about strategy. You've been tested lots of strategies. Which one you prefer? The one that I trade for years, breaking retest, of course. It's the best for me. At least for me, it's the best. But there are plenty of others that work. You just gotta do a lot of back testing on them to prove them that they work. No, EJ, don't do it. Well, looks like Nick, we're all gonna get stopped at break even, but it's better than a loss. Or we could have taken 8 pips, but you know, we wanted more. And when you want more, there are chances like this that you might get a rejection. Yeah. I'm at break even. We are off with this trade now. I mean, it may run all the way to the downside, but it doesn't matter now. Can't let my trade go against me after 30 minutes and coming close to the news. Can't. Look, if this strategy suits you and have good results, then just stick with it. If it works for you, stick with it, and yeah. We'll see. If the news is not gonna do anything, we might look for a re-entry or something like that, maybe on the 4 hour, even though it's gonna be risky now, because I only wanted to get that first push, but unfortunately it didn't get 10 pips, because that's what I wanted to do. I knew that we had daily, but I also knew that we're gonna have a continuation at least 10 pips. But yeah, we didn't get the full pips we wanted. Anyway, we move on because we have plenty of other choices we can make later on, maybe, because right now, no. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. I'm thinking about GJ. I don't know about GJ actually. 4 hours not that clear. I'd rather take GU as I said, but GU it's taking some time, and yeah. Courtney, use investing. Investing is good also. I use my FX book also. I use investing also, so both are good. The worst thing can happen on EJ is if price goes all the way to the downside, because I don't like it to the downside. I'd rather trade it to the upside, because to the downside there's too many zones. If this pushes up and breaks this level, I'll be happy to take some buys. That's what I would prefer. But of course, I don't know if we're gonna get that. We'll have to wait. Somebody said about cat JPY something. Which level should we wait for break? Because we have this and we have this currently here. Let's go on the 4 hour. So the 4 hour looks like this one is major. We'll see if we get a breakout. GBPAD 1 hour, 4 hour breakout. Where? Or you're talking about it's gonna come? Looks good. Actually looks good. We'll see. I'll wait for it. Analysis usually daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. Weekly doesn't really have an impact, so most of the time we don't look at it, but mostly 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. EJ coming higher. Fits with the old zone. Which old zone? I think this is too far for me, and if you think about this closing above, I mean, check 1 hour too. Why are you obsessed with only GJ? If GU has a better option, we choose GU. I mean, GA that I don't like at all is better than GJ. How you deal with correlation? I don't use correlation at all. Not at all, sir. Daily on GA, I don't know what I would say about daily on GA because there's big wicks on the dailies, so I'd rather not look at it at all. But I would wait for a breakout here. It might be a 4-hour tool. Yeah, no, the 4-hour and it's another hour after this close, so it might take time, but the 1 hour can be nice. GU is a bit too far right now. I don't know if it's gonna break. I mean, let's see. Maybe you take GJ. Looking sell GU. What to do with EU? It's giving another signal. My brother, why are you thinking about EU when you want to trade GU? They are different pairs. What's I don't understand you. I don't understand you, brother. Can you guys see with these colors? I had a very nice color. Few months ago. It was something like this. If both pairs are on your watch list, it doesn't matter. EU is a different pair and GU is a different pair. Wait, I'm not done.
I think you should make it a bit brighter, you know?
I'm just testing.
Okay.
I'm just looking how they look. The wicks can be brighter because the wicks are important. I'll change them. I'm never satisfied with candle colors. Guys, I'm never satisfied. I always look for something different. How to come back from 5 stop loss streak? You have to win 5 trades in a row to come back from a 5 stop loss streak. What can I say, man? I mean, losing 5 trades in a row, there's got to be something wrong. There's got to be something wrong. You have to look what you're doing wrong. You have to find the problem in your strategy and see what you can do different to make a comeback. Okay, 9:46. So we have another 14 minutes left. We gotta wait to see what happens today. GJ is going good, not bad. GU not breaking yet. EU making a drop here. Should we take the daily retest? But it depends on the speech what's gonna happen. No, I don't use the 30-minute time frame. I don't. Yeah, looks like GA it's gonna be good. Only. Euro and ZD trade. This is a mess actually. I don't know what you see here. Thing is, GA can give us quick pips. That's for sure. Like easy 20 pips. Like only if it fills these wicks here. If it comes for a retest and fills these wicks, that's 20 pips. Simple. And 10 pips is, let's not talk about it at all because it's very easy. But it's also easy to go in drawdown. Let's not forget that. I got a feeling that euro is gonna melt, but you never know. $10 left. You never answer me. USD RUB. We don't trade that. Euro USD is right now doing nothing. There's support coming up, coming, and there's a speech coming, so you have to stay away. And silver, I have no idea about silver. I don't never look at it. I mean, it might be years since I've seen a chart of silver. GA, does that 4 hours support does not bother you? Let's see, GA. It's a zone actually, so let's see, 1 hour. All candles are closing here on the 1 hour, and the 4 hour candles might have closed above. I don't know, we're in between two zones. We are breaking this. I think we should be good. Usually I would like to have break above both, but we'll see. I think it's a very good close. I even have doubts that's gonna come for a retest at all. Straight move to the upside. What about Bitcoin? Oh, Bitcoin, I have no idea about Bitcoin. Who knows where Bitcoin can go? What's the price on Bitcoin now? Did it come to 20k? Let me know when it comes to 20k. $34k, still early to buy. I want a deeper retest. Speech coming up, speech coming up, attention, 6 minutes. Aaron, you just be glad that you took a 30 pip win, man. Or leave a runner most of the time, so you don't have to regret for closing at 30 pips. Even though 30 pips is a lot, it's more than enough. So leave a runner. it doesn't matter how big the runner is, just it might give you same amount of money that you took from securing, let's say at 20 or 30 pips, because it can go 100 pips, you never know. GA got rejected all the way down, so it looks like it's gonna close below at the end of the day. Let's see. See, EJ is still there, just consolidated for the whole hour. Didn't do much. We could have closed at 8 pips, but anyway, we'll see. We'll see what happens. GJ looks like it's gonna close above, but I don't know if we can trust this. I mean, first of all, it's gonna be a weak breakout. You gotta have a whole move to the upside to have a good breakout here, and maybe gets affected a bit by the speech. Well, let's see. GA is rejecting. Gold rejected also. We'll see if we get a break of 1863. GA stop loss below current body candle, since it may be too much. GA is not even gonna give us a breakout. Not going to be 10 pips breakout. Seems like it. Well, GJ, yeah, GJ is about to be a good breakout. When Bitcoin went to 20k, came all the way to like 4k or 6, I don't know, because I didn't look at it that much, but I think though it came to at 5k at least from 20k. Now came all the way up to 40k and it's back to 30. It can easily come to 20 again and then continue up again. $3.8k, see, from 20k. So I think smart people are gonna sell Bitcoin or already sold at 40k, and they'll wait for price to come lower to buy again, because it went to 40k, it can go to 50 easy. We've seen it that can happen, so I mean, everything can happen. Look, GJ looks good. I mean, we don't have much rejections on this level, but we might try take some buys if it comes for a retest. It's very bullish. We have passed the key levels. We got more room to push up. Let's see. 2 minutes for candles to close. GA looks like went up also. Let's see. I might take GJ, more familiar with GJ. Never say never. As coaching, never say never. Because you never know, it might hit it again. Then might shoot all the way up. Who would have thought that's gonna come to 40k in the beginning? No one. But it went. Now it can easily come down again, then go up again, then no. I don't have much knowledge about cryptocurrency at all. We'll see. Let's see. GJ closed very nice. Let's see if it gives us a retest here. And we take some buys. Don't make a wick. Come straight for retest. That's it. Nice. Let's go, GJ. GJ should come at 950 at least, or 970 in a 2-3 pips range would be nice. If it doesn't reject from here, but we need this to come lower. That would be too early to entry. Let's go, GJ, come lower. What about GA? Both gonna do the same probably. I don't want to see them go bullish before coming lower. Come on, GJ, come on. Yeah, we need a lower push.
Hey, Sad.
Yes.
Would you put the stop loss around 800?
I'll put my stop. No, maybe, or yeah, 800. I think it would be enough. Because if it comes lower and goes below the previous candle, it would be probably a fake out or who knows. But I wouldn't let this go below the previous candle. I'll take loss there. It's not even coming. Guys, if it turns bullish, I don't know if I'm gonna take it. If it turns bullish, makes a small move, then comes. I want to cash when it goes bullish, not after. Let's go, GJ, let's go. Come lower. It's been very slow these days. Please look at GCAT. What about GCAT? Skip GCAT, man. Skip. Because it's a 4-hour resistance. Just stay with GJ here. Hopefully it's gonna give us a retest. Okay, it's coming, it's coming. Nice, 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 nice. Oh no. Just giving fake hopes. start to push down, get ready, then boom, you get a whole pullback again. Now it goes bullish and over. GBP NZD in the meanwhile is doing this, but I don't like this pair. Good, good, good. It didn't turn bullish yet. Still have time. Did we have any GBP news coming up? Low impact. Okay, it looks like we're clear. What happened to EJ? EJ stopped at break even, nothing else. We didn't want to hold it during the speech. It's there. It's going down again. What can we say else? NZD US dollar. NZD US dollar looks like it made a nice rejection from the support and a nice rejection from this resistance. So we're in between two zones here. What's gonna happen next is I don't know what's gonna happen, but I know what we can do here. Two options are a close above, a retest and some continuation, or maybe a close below, a retest and some continuation to this next zone. That's what we can do on NZD US dollar. Let's see if GJ is gonna come. Even though I don't trust it that much, but since we passed the previous daily resistance and we have a close on the 1 hour, 4 hour is not closed yet, but might be later on. We'll see. Can't enter yet, it's too early. You don't want to be too early on GJ because it might come and make a deep retest and it's hard to make pips after that. GA made some quick pips. Easy 10 pips. But GA is not coming lower. Probably gonna turn bullish now. Boring without a retest. Market is boring. Yeah, it's gonna turn bullish. Here we go. Game over. No, I didn't get in because it had another 5 pips. I used to enter in a 5 pip range, but not doing that anymore because last month we used to have deep retests and it was a bit too risky to do that because you were getting um, in bigger drawdown than expected. I don't want to see that. It's gone. It's gone, I think. I mean, not yet 10 pips, but it's gonna make them now. Here you go, 10 pips. It might go 30, 40 pips. We are very unlucky these days. We got lucky with that AUD but then we had nothing else. EJ unlucky because of the speech we had to get out. I mean, it went not bad, but gold is at support. Oh wow. Something weird happened. When price breaks a zone, I wait for the retest of that broken zone. That's correct. Something weird happened on gold because I saw it moving so fast. Don't know what if we entered in 5 pip range, you just know it would done deeper read. Yeah, because it happened before, that's why. Entering in a 5 pip range, then ended up being 5 pips in a bigger drawdown. What time frame am I using? If I could make these bigger, cat JPY is pushing up again. Nothing's happening. Just coming back, nothing special on the retest. Gold might reject from the support, but there's no confirmation about that. We want a confirmation, so confirmation would be a break below maybe this level. Even though I wouldn't trade gold inside of this consolidation. Okay, while we wait, I'm gonna do something and I'll be back. What happened, guys? Anything big or not? I took a nap actually. Slept for 10 minutes.
So fast.
Yeah. Just to get some quick energy. GJ failed us because didn't make a retest properly. What a nice move, 26 pips. Knew this was coming. Gold rejected. Good. That's what we expected anyways. Looks like there's nothing yet. Maybe GBP US dollar, who knows? It's taking some time to break. USD it's pretty strong right now. Taking some time. Okay, what are the options here? Because I'm not seeing much right now. USD CAD is rejecting this resistance. Who knows? It might give us one later. GBP USD, there's still 20 minutes left, so still chances of a breakout on GU. Right now it's rejecting. EU might come for a retest here. Would be a second. Taking buys would be a bit risky, but maybe a daily retest. I mean, it wouldn't be bad. EJ is still at the same place. Is this gonna continue down or not? It's a daily support, so it's pretty risky. I'll wait for a break above, maybe would be safer. What else do we have here? Iran ZD, some crazy moves here. Looking to find something, but it's pretty hard right now because there's nothing much. Yay made the move also. Yeah, we don't have much happening. We'll see, maybe next hour we get something. But right now it's not very likely. Not very likely that we're gonna have something. New York, yeah, maybe a New York session. New York session may bring something. But right now, nothing else. We had DJ, GA, they were all pretty good, but we didn't get that deeper retest that we wanted. Can't rush anything. Unless it comes by itself, I can't rush anything. Because it's just simply nothing right now. Gold did reject from support here. It did reject. I expect a rejection, but it was a pretty big drop, so stayed away better. For me, it was safe to stay away. EA, can EA give us something here? Since EA is a pretty volatile pair. But right now, nothing much is happening. GJ might come for a 4 hours retest. That is something that can happen. This week we took a trade, yeah. Yesterday we took a trade. USD CAD, EJ. True, I would take that on EJ if it happens. But also it's going to be hard to break this level here. CAD JPY and GU. Let's see. If GJ 4 hour is gonna retest, am I going long? It depends. It depends, but we'll see. Maybe I'll go long. If it's not coming from a zone, why not? It's just a 4 hour and 1 hour are not on the same level, so may happen that a 4 hour comes lower for that retest. If EJ closes below 470, we'll see. We'll see about that. But taking too much time now. As always, just consolidating all the time. What about AD CAD? I don't know. Let me take a look in my chart here. It's not that bad, it's a good level, but you're gonna need a lot better close below here. Take a trade. Is all Aussie dollar double top? What does that matter if it's a double top or triple? There's nothing on Aussie dollar right now. There's nothing. Can you look at my analysis? Let's take a look. GBP JPY 30 minutes. Safe zone to sell, clean candle. We have the zone here, resistance now acting as support. If this resistance breaks, we can go to 142.020 and fill the wick on the 4-hour candle. Wick of the 4-hour candle. If 142 breaks, we can fill the daily highs, 142.700. Took 80% of my profits, put my stop loss at break even, and got stopped out. Nice trade. Nice trade. You trade 30 minutes, then nice. I don't trade 30 minutes, but yeah, you had your own reasons. Good for you. You caught a nice trade. EuroCAD, the worst pair in history. Let's see. What do we have on EuroCAD? Nothing. What can you see on EuroCAD? I don't see anything. It's just a mess like always. Gold made a whole pullback. Wow. Wow. GA. Oh, what about GA? Oh, GA might give us the 4-hour now. That's interesting. Totally forgot about that. EURUSD. Bearish trend. Where do you see that bearish trend on EURUSD? It's full bullish. Might come at 1.21700 for a retest on a daily. It might come, so we don't know that yet. It's too far for now. GU is trying to break above here. Should we wait for GU 4-hour to come deeper? Or should we wait for GA? Because GA is breaking now. And it's going to be a good breakout. We have less than 10 minutes to see that. We'll see. We have to wait. I know it's getting boring, but you know, sometimes trading is boring. Sometimes it can be boring. But we gotta wait. Can you talk about why your cat is the worst? No, it's not, but look at the chart. Like, it's messy. And it tends to make a lot of fake outs. That's why. But other than that, I don't. I'm just joking because sometimes it can be good. But when a pair tends to fail more than win, I mean, should be counted as the worst pair. I just don't like it most of the time. Rarely gives something worthy for us. Is GBPNSD going to reverse? I don't know. Are you in sells? If you are in sells, you're in trouble. Let's see. We might have a trade here if it comes for a retest. GBP AUD. Even though it's a pretty big pullback it should make here, or not that much, 20 pips, 25. I think we can get some easy 10 pips here if the 4-hour comes for a retest. Just 3 minutes left and we'll see what we're gonna do. Do you have some webinars about break and retest strategy that explain with details? Some? We have 100 of them. Yeah, I took some sleep earlier when I said that I'll be back in a few. Then I didn't get back for 10 or 15 minutes. Took a quick nap. Let's go GA. Getting ready if we're gonna have a retest. If we don't get a retest here, I don't know then. Grant, I'm watching Vikings by the way. Sometimes. How did you manage? Well, you didn't do anything. Quick nap here when it's cold outside and inside it's really hot, you get sleepy. Fix audio. What's wrong with audio? Okay, finally we have a close. Let's see. Let's go GA, give us a retest here and we'll be done. Let me find GBP, Aussie dollar. Don't even have it on my list on CTrader. You might have big spread. That can be true. Maybe if you have big spread, I don't know what to say. Maybe just don't trade GA. Let's see guys, so as we said before, we had this and this, and now we are closed above both. We have a clean break on the 4 hour. 1 hour did a small pullback, but was not enough for us. So now we might get a retest and some more continuation on the 4 hours since 1 hour didn't come enough. Stop loss gonna be, no, it doesn't matter about the wick or candle. It's a matter of pips here because the wick can be too big or the body. So let's say our entry is around 400, 200 should be stop loss here. So it matches below the candle where candles opened here. If this pushes above the previous, above this previous high or this 4 hour wick, then I'll probably just skip everything here. We need this pullback first. I don't know if it's gonna come like a whole pullback on this hour. Maybe it's gonna take 2 hours. It's a 4 hour break and retest, so we can take more time. Everyone bullish? Yeah, pretty much, because everything is bullish right now on GBP pairs. GJ, GU, only GU is not good. Like keeps closing below this. Keeps closing below this level. Not enough power to push through that. Still taking time. Not a fan of GA, but you know, what can we do? We don't really have another choice here. Pretty much everything else is dead. What happened with EJ? Still the same place. I think whatever EU is gonna come here, we're gonna have a rejection, so I might take it. Whenever it comes, I'll go for a 10 pip rejection at least. What? What about GJ? What? GJ might come too, yes, true. But it's too far right now. It's a more than 20 pips or a 20 pip pullback that has to make for coming for a retest here. It's too far. Guys, I'm gonna have to go. Thank you for being here. Today is a very slow day. Hopefully get something, but not too many hopes right now.
Hey, thank you for the stream set.
We'll keep you updated whatever happens. So for now, have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
See you. Until the next trade, we don't really have anything. So we'll see. We have to be patient. Thank you guys. See you for now.
See you.
Wait for the 4 hour retest. GJ, GA also can make a retest. Other than that, I said EU buys if it comes 700 around the zone. Going for a 10-pip projection, we'll see. We'll see. What can we do? We don't have much, but hopefully later on we'll have some more movement than today, than this session. Hopefully New York session is gonna bring some volume. For now, have a nice day.